fish oil is one of the most popular dietary supplements. It contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are considered very useful for the human body. In this video, we will talk about the changes that will occur in your body if take fish oil every day. So watching this video to the end will be very informative. What is fish oil? Fish oil is an oily substance that is extracted from the meat of oily fish, which includes such species as mackerel, tuna, herring, and anchovies. In some cases, the liver of cod or other varieties of fish is used for the manufacture of this product. If there is no possibility of consuming fatty fish, this product can be replaced by the inclusion of omega-3 dietary supplements in the diet. According to research data, fish oil is approximately 30% omega-3, while the other 70% includes other types of fats. It is important to note that in most cases the composition of this product also includes vitamin D. Special attention should be paid to the fact that omega-3 fatty acids obtained from fatty fish are considered more useful than omega-3 produced from vegetable products. At the same time, fish oil contains such acids as eicosapentaenoic and docosahexaenoic. Despite the fact that vegetable fatty acids consist mainly of alpha-linolenic acid. Despite the fact that the latter acid is considered indispensable, the first two are more useful for the human body. In most modern diets, omega-3 is often replaced by omega-6 fatty acids, which disrupts the ratio of fatty acids in the human body. This can lead to the development of certain diseases, which is why it is very important to eat fish oil. And now let's take a closer look at what benefits the use of fish oil gives, which normalizes the work of the heart muscle. Disruption of the heart muscle is one of the most common causes of death in the world. At the same time, people who regularly consume fatty fish have a lower risk of developing heart disease compared to other people. This is due to the fact that the use of fish oil can improve the functioning of the heart and eliminate a number of factors that increase the risk of developing diseases of the cardiovascular system. So, among the useful properties of this product, an increase in the level of good cholesterol, and a decrease in the volume of triglycerides by 15 to 30% are distinguished. Lowering blood pressure, preventing the formation of plaques on the walls of arteries causing hardening. Mitigation of already existing arterial plaques, and prevention of arrhythmia that can cause a fatal heart attack. Although dietary supplements containing omega-3 fatty acids and fish oil can eliminate some risk factors for heart disease, scientists report that the evidence presented is insufficient to claim that fish oil can prevent heart attacks. Allows you to get rid of mental disorders. The human brain is 60% fat, most of which consists of omega-3 fatty acids. Based on this, it is safe to say that the use of fish oil is of great importance for the brain. The results of research conducted by scientists demonstrate that people suffering from mental disorders in most cases experience a deficiency of omega-3 in the blood. Thus, the use of these supplements can reduce the risk of developing mental illnesses and eliminate some of their symptoms. As part of one of the studies, scientists managed to find out that fish oil in large quantities is able to eliminate some of the symptoms of bipolar disorder and schizophrenia. Promotes weight loss. According to statistics, approximately 39% of people worldwide are overweight, of which about 13% are obese. Most often people suffer from obesity in countries where there is a high level of income. Obesity can significantly increase the risk of developing a number of serious diseases, such as type 2 diabetes, heart muscle dysfunction, and cancer. The use of fish oil can reduce the risk associated with obesity by adding a number of useful elements to the body. Scientists claim that the use of fish oil supplements in combination with a proper diet and physical activity allows you to get rid of excess weight. Improves the health of the visual organs. The organs of vision largely depend on omega-3 fatty acids. People who are deficient in this substance in the body have an increased risk of developing diseases that lead to vision impairment. In addition, along with the increase in age, the health of the eyes begins to deteriorate, which can cause the development of age-related degradation of the macula. Eating fatty fish significantly reduces the risk of developing this disease. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is a natural process of the body, which is observed in the fight of the immune system against injuries and infections. In some cases, people may suffer from chronic inflammation, the cause of which may be diabetes, heart muscle dysfunction, obesity, and depression. Due to the fact that fish oil differs from other additives in its anti-inflammatory properties, its use can help in the treatment of the above conditions, which are the main cause of chronic inflammation. Thus, in people suffering from obesity and having a high level of stress, the appropriate supplement can reduce the effect of cytokines, which are inflammatory molecules. Also, Scientists note that the use of fish oil helps to reduce the level of joint pain, as well as reduce the need for painkillers. Despite the fact that inflammatory bowel disease also belongs to a number of inflammatory processes, fish oil is not able to eliminate its symptoms and improve the human condition. Improves the skin. The skin is one of the most important human organs. It contains a huge amount of omega-3 fatty acids. In this regard, the use of fish oil allows not only prevents premature aging but also reduces the risk of skin diseases and eliminates their symptoms. Many experts it is recommended to use of fish oil in the treatment of skin diseases such as dermatitis and psoriasis. Improves fetal development during pregnancy. Omega-3 fatty acids contained in fish oil are essential for normal fetal growth and development. Mothers are recommended to take omega-3 fatty acids during pregnancy. They allow to improve the coordination of the child's movements, normalize the development of the visual organs, and also prevent allergic reactions. Scientists have not been able to find out whether the intake of these substances affects the increase in the level of IQ in a child. The level of fat in the liver decreases. The liver is one of the most significant human organs that process fat and has a direct impact on weight gain. Recently, liver disease is quite common. Regular consumption of fatty fish and fish oil supplements can improve the condition of the liver, prevent the process of fat accumulation, and eliminate some of the symptoms of the above-mentioned disease. Eliminates the symptoms of depression. According to the researchers, depression will soon become one of the most common diseases. It is worth noting that people suffering from depression have a reduced level of omega-3 fatty acids in the blood. Based on this, the fish oil in combination with additives of these acids is able to eliminate some symptoms of depression. It is important to note that omega-3 acids of plant origin are more effective in eliminating symptoms of depression than animal fats origin. Reduces the rate of deterioration of the brain. As we age, brain function deteriorates, which leads to an increased risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. People who consume a lot of oily fish have a lower tendency to develop such diseases. Researchers have found that fish oil supplements can slow down the process of deterioration of brain function, and can also improve memory in healthy elderly people. Strengthens bones. With age due to the loss of minerals and useful substances of the bone, people begin to lose their density and strength, which leads to the development of diseases such as osteoarthritis and osteoporosis. According to most studies, the most important elements for strengthening bones are calcium and vitamin D. However, omega-3 fatty acids can be no less useful. So, as part of one of the experiments, scientists found out that these acids increase the mineral density of bone, and also allow you to eliminate substances that affect the destruction of bone tissue. What you need to know about the consumption of fish oil is if you consume from 1 to 2 fatty fish per week. Taking specialized fish oil supplements is optional, however, in the absence of such an opportunity, you should include appropriate supplements in your diet. Having previously familiarized myself with all the features of their use. Omega-3 fatty acids ensure the normal functioning of the brain and visual organs. These trace elements prevent the development of inflammatory processes, reduce the risk of developing diseases of the cardiovascular system, and slow down the process of deterioration of the brain. Due to the fact that fish oil contains a large amount of omega-3 fatty acids, the use of this product is very useful for the human body. It should always be remembered that the inclusion of natural products in the diet is always better than taking specialized dietary supplements. To normalize the level of omega-3 fatty acids in the blood, it is enough to eat 2 fatty fish per week. However, if it is not possible to include fish in your diet for one reason or another, you should use fish oil supplements. If you include fish oil in your diet, share it with us in the comments.